Meet Portal Plus from Facebook. Smart video calling with Alexa built in on the largest Portal screen.
Hey, Portal, call Margaret.
Hey, Mom, how you doing?
Smart camera pans and zooms to keep up with the action. And as more people join in, it widens to keep everyone in view. So it feels like you're in the same room, even if you're far apart.
Hey, Portal, call Katie.
Hey.
Portal Plus lets you video call friends and family with Messenger or WhatsApp, even if they don't have Portal.
Doing great. Alexa, show the front door.
And you can control your smart home hands-free with Alexa built in.
She's got a boyfriend.
With Storytime, you can become some of your favorite storybook characters with music, animation, and AR effects. Portal Plus is an amazing picture frame that can display your favorite Facebook and Instagram photos. It can also show birthday reminders and let you know when your favorite people are available to connect. And Portal Plus's speakers will fill your room with deep bass and rich hi-fi sound. Portal Plus is private by design. All video calls are encrypted, and you can easily disable the microphone and camera or block the lens with the camera cover. Portal Plus, smart video calling on the biggest Portal screen. Portal, if you can't be there, feel there.